अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल चाल है व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आइए बगैर वक्त ज़ाया किए अपने पेपर की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। An electronic path that sends signal from one part of the computer to another is a bus, serial bus. Which city is known as City of Canals? So the right answer is Venice. Question number 3. Guantanamo Bay, an American naval base, is in Cuba. Choose the answer which best explains the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. There is a cavity in one of your front teeth. So cavity decay. When was the Unionist Party founded in Punjab? So the right answer is 1923. Which country is the current FIFA football world champion? ये 2017 के पेपर के मुताबिक था। The right answer is Germany. Which viceroy tenure was the shortest in the Indo-Pak subcontinent? So the right answer is Lord Mountbatten. 8. Complete the idiom. Don't judge a book by. So the right answer is its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. Find out the correct passive voice sentence. People say that democracy is a better form of government. So democracy is said to be a better form of government. Gastric juice is a secretion of the glands present in the. So the right answer is stomach. 11. The chairman of Boundary Commission of the Punjab and Bengal was. So the right answer is Lord Clifton. Under which amendment of the 1973 Constitution the Objectives Resolution was made a substantive part of Constitution 9th? Group Captain Cecil Chaudhary was awarded Sitara-e-Jurrat for his acts of valor in 1955 war. After retirement, he remained principal of which famous school? Saint Anthony School, Lahore. Complete the number series 4, 9, 13, 22, 35. So the right answer is 57. Surah Anfal in Quran Kareem is immediately preceded by. So Surah Anfal से पहले Suratul Araf आती है. The famous movie Slumdog Millionaire is based on the book Q&A. Who is the author of this book? So the right answer is Vikas Swarup. 30% of 100 is equal to 3% of 1000. Choose the correct 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 word. The prisoner was sent to the goal. Fill in the blank. The debate adjourned space following week. Adjourned to following week. What is the meaning of the idiom or proverb to spill the beans? So meaning of to spill the beans is to reveal secret information. 21. Who is the current president of Cuba? So the right answer is Raul Castro. Fill in the blank. It is awful to be afflicted dash a sense of inferiority. Afflicted with. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan did his PhD from Leuven University of Belgium. Two Pakistani Test cricketers have got out on 199 runs. One of them was Yunus Khan. Who was the other? So the second one was Mudassar Nazar. 25. Which prophet could talk to the birds? So the right answer is Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. 26. Yuan is the currency used in. It is the currency of China. Nagorno-Karabakh region is recognized as part of Azerbaijan. 28. Vienna is the capital of. So Vienna is the capital of Austria. 29. Mrs. Tansu Çiller was the first female prime minister of Turkey. The first regular session of the All India Muslim League was held at. So the right answer is Karachi. 31. Which of the following is a chemical reaction? So the right answer is rusting of iron. 32. Sydney Headworks has been constructed on the river Ravi. 33. In what year did Kargil conflict take place between India and Pakistan? 1999. 'Next question is the synonym of imbecile is. So imbecile का synonym idiotic. FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, is the United Nations department, has its headquarters in Rome, Italy. 36. National Police Academy is located at Islamabad. 37. The major language for World Wide Web www is HTML. 38. What was the name given to India's partition plan? June 3rd plan. 39. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by. So it is characterized by neurodegeneration. Question number 40. Who was the first governor of State Bank of Pakistan? Shujat Hussain. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, who coined the name Pakistan, died in 1951. Which political position did he hold in the government of Liaquat Ali Khan? He held no political position. 42. He was accused dash theft. So the right preposition is accused of. Sorry, Zulu is a prominent tribe of. So the right answer is South Africa. Question number 44. What is the average of all prime numbers between 30 to 50? 39.8. Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam remained in the well for. So he alayhi salam remained for 3 days in the well. 46. The major component of honey is. So the right answer is fructose. What is the meaning of the idiom or proverb smell a rat? So the right answer is to smell a trick or deduct. What is the meaning of the idiom or proverb a chip of the old clock? So the right answer is having characteristic of one's ancestor. Which one of the following is the oldest barrage on Indus River? So the right answer is Sakhar Barrage. Union Jack is the flag of United Kingdom.